What's the meaning of caramel? Caramel. Caramel.
Caramel. Caramel. Caramel is a sweet substance that is made by heating sugar until it melts and turns brown. It is commonly used as a flavoring agent in desserts such as cookies, cakes, ice cream, and candy bars. When caramel is added to food, it provides a rich, buttery, and nutty flavor that enhances the overall taste experience. Additionally, caramel can also be eaten on its own as a candy. It is enjoyed for its chewy texture and sweet taste, making it a popular treat for people of all ages.